Are you feeding your idea good nutrients? Have you planted your idea on a good soil? Your relationship is that environment where you are positioning your idea, because everyone you talk to is feeding you. Welcome back to my channel. I am Wale Adekola, business growth coach and leadership consultant. Today, I want to share three powerful pillars that you can use in your business. In fact, you can apply them today to transform your life. Okay, you want to start a business or you want to grow your business, make use of these three pillars. Number one, an idea. Number two, capital. And number three, management. So which one is the most important? An idea, capital, or management? Let's look at the three together. Idea. See, ideas are everywhere. Everywhere you go, people talk about ideas. People have good intentions everywhere. You remember, I always say this, that good intentions are overrated. Okay? If you have a good intention without action, it will yield nothing. So ideas are everywhere. Everywhere you go, you see people sharing powerful ideas that they are doing nothing about. And let's talk about capital. Capital is also everywhere. Okay? Capital is everywhere. I want you to always remember that everywhere you go, money is available. Now, the third pillar is management. And this is very crucial. Say, I want you to underline this third one, management, because this is the most important one, management. Let me quickly share something with you about management. Say, money flows to where good management exists. If you don't manage your capital well, the money goes out. If you manage your capital well, money flows in. What controls capital is good management. What builds an idea, what transforms good intention into reality is the management, good management of that idea. And that's why I always tell people that if you don't lead yourself, you can't lead others. Because leadership starts with self. You have to lead you before you can start leading others. What does that really mean? You have to manage the idea well. You have to do something about the idea. You have to be responsible. You have to be accountable. Okay? You have to move the idea. Move beyond good intentions. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Do something about something that you can do something about. You have the ability to become responsible. Okay? You have the ability to become responsible. Irresponsibility is a choice. It's a choice. So ideas are everywhere. And if you don't manage the idea, nothing will happen to the idea. Okay? The same thing happens to capital. Capital flows to people who are good managers of resources. And capital also flows out if you are not a good manager of capital. By the way, if you want to start a business, if you're thinking about starting a business and you're like, oh, I don't have money to start. So money is everywhere, all around you. Money is everywhere. You know, there is a theory called the 6 degrees of separation. I want you to learn this. This is very crucial, and that is why there is power in networking. So when it comes to the sixth degree of separation, so the money you are looking for is just like, six people away from you. So let's say person A, okay, person A knows person B, okay, and person B knows person C. Person C knows person D. By the time you get to the sixth person, you will find a solution to your questions. So all you have to do is to start connecting with people around you and then start asking questions. Who do you know that I need to meet? Talk to your friends, talk to your family members, start connecting with people, start networking. Because if you can apply the sixth degree of separation, you will realize that the answer you are looking for is just around you. There is someone around you today that knows someone that also knows someone that has the answer to that question that you have in your heart. There is an answer to the question. So don't give up. Don't stop looking. Don't stop searching. Don't stop. It is not yet time to stop. Say 2025 is your year. Your goal is possible. Okay? Keep pushing. Keep doing something about your goal every day. Be consistent. Be persistent. And be very careful about your relationship. Very careful about the people that you surround yourself with. Okay? If you surround yourself with losers, you will become one of them. If you surround yourself with winners, you will eventually become one of them. Okay? And that is why you have to always be conscious about what you are feeding yourself. Are you feeding your idea good nutrients? Have you planted your idea on a good soil? Your relationship is that environment where you are positioning your idea, because everyone you talk to is feeding you. Everything you see is feeding you. Everything you hear is feeding you. I once heard Dr. Sam Adeyemi, he said that whatever you hear over a period of time, whatever you see over a period of time, that all those things will enter your heart. And anything that has entered your heart has entered your life. Wow, that is very correct, because neutral ground does not exist. It does not exist. So you have to be very careful about what you are feeding yourself. If you are feeding yourself junks, don't expect your idea to germinate and yield good fruits. It won't happen. It won't happen because you are breaking divine principles. So you need to understand that feeding yourself the right nutrients is very imperative if you want to grow your idea, if you want to expand your reach, and if you want to practicalize all these principles that I've been talking about, especially the sixth degree of a separation. If you can apply the sixth degree of separation, if you can understand that theory and practicalize it, start today. Manage your life well. Manage your life well. That is the most important thing. Always remember, ideas are everywhere, and capital is also everywhere. How you manage the two will determine the success of your business. Bye for now.